slow it down. Action or silence, what's the sound? Slow breath, let it go. Ancient wisdom in a modern flow. Sanyasa karmana Krishna punaryogam cha shansasi. I'm standing at a crossroad, which path do I choose? Walk away from the world or just change my views? Sanyasa karma yogascha nishreyas karavubho. Both lead higher, yeah, both feel right, but action with surrender keeps your spirit light. Sa nitya sannyasi yo na dveshti na kankshati. No hate, no desire, keep the heart at ease. That's the real freedom, that's the inner peace. Sankhya yoga prithak bala pravadanti na pandita. Fools see difference, why see the same? Different paths but one end game. Yat sankhya prapyate sthanam tad yogairapi gamyate. Whether stillness or motion, you arrive at the place. Same destination, just a different pace. Let it flow, let it go, don't hold too tight. Do your work but release the fight. No fear, no chase, just inner peace. Drop the weight and your soul finds ease. Let it flow, let it go. Feel that release. In the silence of the heart, there's peace. Sannyasas mahabaho dukham aptum yogata. Running from life ain't the easier way. Balance in action is where you stay. Yogi yukto vishuddhatma vijitatma jitendriya. Mind so clear, senses in line. Move in the world, but your soul still shine. Naiva kinchit karomiti yukto manyeta tattvavita. Do nothing at all, that's the highest state. Life keeps moving, but you don't relate. Brahmanyadaya karmani sangam tektva karotiya. Offer every action, let attachment fall like a lotus, untouched by it all. Yukta karma phalam tektva shanti mapnoti neshtikim. Drop the outcome, let the pressure cease. That's the doorway leading to peace. Ride the wave, don't control the sea. Be in the world but just stay free. No chains, no fear, no inner war. You already have what you're searching for. Let it flow, let it go. Feel that release. In the silence of the heart, there's peace. Sarva karmani mansa sannasyaste sukham vashi. In this body just watching the play. You're not the doer anyway. Vidyavine sampanne brahmane gavi hastini. See the same soul in all you see. From the learned mind to a living tree. Paryaspara saktatma vindatyatmani yat sukham. Not outside in the fleeting highs. Real joy lives where the silence lies. Yonta sukuntararamastathantar jyotirevaya. In a light that will never fade. That's the truth that the wise have made. Breathe in slow, let your thoughts decrease. You're not the storm, you are the peace. Sparshan kritva badhirbhahyam chakshuschaihantare bruho. Turn within, let the senses rest. Focus deep in the heart of your chest. Muktaram yavyatapasan sarvalokam maheshwaram. Know the one beyond the rose, friend of every living soul, source of all, the final release. That's the truth that brings you peace. Let it flow, let it go, don't hold too tight. Walk your path in the inner light. No fear, no doubt, just satya and peace. In surrender on struggle, see. Let it flow, let it go. Now you see, you were always Shanta, peace. You were always